Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I wanted to film one of these for so long. I have a very important life update, as I'm sure you guys can tell by the title. So if you guys want to know more about this very exciting time, then just continue watching. But before we get right into the video, if you guys could go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That really would help me out a lot. And let's just hop right in. So first off, I'm going to start with my eyes already taped, and then I'm going to go in with this P. Louise base, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. So this video is going to be very talkative. It's a chit chat get ready with me. I've never done one of these on my channel before, but I'm super excited to do it because I have a lot of life changes coming up, some pretty big ones. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it would be exciting. So if you watched my past two videos, you'll know that I told you guys I have something to announce in this video, and I'm not going to make you guys wait a million years to announce it. So basically the big secret is that I am moving. So yes, I'm moving right now. I live in New York City and I love it here. I've lived here all my life and I never ever thought I would move. I'm not gonna tell you where exactly I'm moving, what state, but I'm definitely moving outside of New York State because I don't want to like tell you guys what state I'm going until it's 100% official and we got the place and we're 100% going. Right now it's like 97% for sure, so that's why I'm at least telling you guys that I'm moving, but I'm gonna keep the location a secret till later videos till we 100% got the place. So I never thought that I would move outside of New York City in my whole entire life, but after COVID and quarantine, I think it really put things into perspective and a lot of changes happened during COVID. By the way, if I keep looking down, it's because my mirror is right there. So if I forget to say the makeup that I'm using, it'll be in the description box down below. Right now I'm taking this ABH Soft Glam palette and I am going in with Burnt Orange. And the reason why I'm going in with these products is because my other makeup is currently packed up in boxes already and I sealed the boxes, so I can't get to any other makeup right now. Quality of life is not necessarily something that I've thought about, but after COVID and quarantine, it really put into perspective, and I think a lot of people put into perspective that life is so precious and you truly don't have a lot of time on earth and you never know what tomorrow brings. So I think not only me but a lot of other people, when we were hunting for places, a lot of the realtors were like how people are buying houses outside of New York, they're leaving New York and they're buying places left and right. Everybody wants to escape the city, escape the craziness, and have a better quality of life. And honestly, I think that's so true. I love New York, but it's not a place you want to be unless you are really wealthy and you're gonna have a great life here, or you live with your parents and they live here and you don't really have to pay bills and stuff like that, or you have mommy and daddy money and you can afford to live in New York. But New York, you will literally kill yourself working to pay rent and to live here, and rent is like $2,000, $3,000, and that can go to a mortgage for a house. So that's ridiculous to me that rent is so expensive in New York. I just didn't want to rent and pay rent to people and pay other people's mortgages because I feel like I'd rather pay my own mortgage instead of contributing to somebody else's. That's why we made the decision to ultimately leave New York and go to another state, so that way we can have a better quality of life and you don't have to live dollar to dollar and just work. I love New York, that is so busy and like the hustle and bustle of everything. I really do love it. As they always say New York is the city that doesn't sleep, which is totally true. People are doing things 24/7 and people are really hustling out here, but the question is, to what point is it enough? You don't want to kill yourself just to live in a city you really want. It's not worth it if you're looking for quality of life. Now I'm going in with Sienna on the outer edge, and I had a really hard time accepting that New York is not the place to be if you want a good quality of life. Like, I always thought New York is everything because I've always lived here my entire life. I feel like to grow and to have a new chapter of my life and to actually own something is way more important than just renting and paying somebody else's mortgage. luggage. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen after COVID, people have left cities and stuff like that and went to more suburban places, went to other states that you can actually afford stuff, you can actually own stuff, and it's cheaper and you get a lot more for your money. Now I'm going in with Cypress Umber, and I'm just putting that exactly where I put the sienna. And I think I'm gonna do like a little halo eye. Now I'm gonna take the shade Sultry and put that on my finger and just put that right in the center of my lid. I don't think I've ever used Sultry before, so, but it looks like a really nice shade. And you guys can comment down below where you think I'm moving to. So because I have a lot of new things coming up, I am thinking about vlogging at least like once a week, so that would be like a little bonus video. I never thought of myself vlogging, but I think with all these exciting changes and everything going on in my life right now, it does make sense to vlog because I want to look back and remember these times, remember all the stress and the struggle and the hardship, because these are going to be some of the most important moments of my life. I've never lived anywhere but New York. The farthest I've moved is from one borough to another, so this is going to be an extreme change for me. I'm really excited about it. I'm a little bit scared and a little bit nervous. I think it'll be for the better, and I'm just really excited for this new chapter in my life. So the only thing I'm scared about is that I won't be having a job there as soon as I go there, so I'll have to like apply to places and just hopefully they pick me with my experience. I'm looking to get a job in the healthcare field, so hopefully that works out because I've always worked in hospitals, except one time I did work in retail when I first started getting a job, but after that I've worked only in hospitals, so I do have a lot of hospital experience. So hopefully I will get a job over there in a hospital or in a doctor's office or something like that. I feel like I'm taking forever to do my eye makeup and I'm just talking. This is why I feel like I can't do these videos, because I'll just sit here and talk and not do my makeup. So I'm gonna try to do things a little bit faster so this video is not an hour long. So I'm just gonna put on eyeliner and I'll be right back. I just feel like my makeup is not coming out good today, like no matter what I do, just not working. So I'm gonna go in with this Confidence in a Cream by It, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And this has honestly been my favorite thing to moisturize with. I don't have super dry skin, but it's just a really good moisturizer, and it's thick and a little bit goes a long way. So that's what I like about this product, because I feel like especially in the winter you can get the best bang for your buck, because I know it is a little bit pricey, but I feel like it's worth it. So yeah, as I was saying, I was thinking about vlogging because I do have a vlog camera that I originally bought like 2 years ago, and I actually bought it just to take photos, but it could be used for vlogging. And I just ordered a tripod from Amazon and I got it yesterday, so I'm going to attempt to vlog. Hopefully you guys watch it, because I mean, this is my beauty channel, but it is my lifestyle channel too, so I feel like I want you guys to follow me on my new journey, and I want to include you guys a little bit more because I feel like you guys watch these videos but you don't really know much about me, if that makes sense. So I just want to bring you guys in closer a little bit and get a closer look at my life. So now I'm going in with this e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So I just been packing like crazy. Most of my things are in boxes and most of my makeup is in boxes. I packed all that away already. I really don't know how moving is. Like, I only moved twice in my life, but once I was really young, so I didn't really have stuff to move. And the last time I moved was like 2016, but then again that was in the same borough, so it wasn't a crazy move. It was probably like a 15 to 20 minute move. So going from New York City to this other state is a huge move. It is a good bit away from New York, so it's really nerve-wracking. I don't know what to expect. It's gonna be stressful, but it'll be well worth it in my opinion. Okay, so I'm going in with this NYX Total Drop Foundation in the shade Camel, and this was originally packed and I had to take it out of the packaging for this video. So sorry Ashley if you're watching. Ashley is my friend who's been helping me pack, and she wrapped this actually. So sorry, I had to undo some of your taping because I needed to get stuff for this video. I unwrapped this and a concealer. It's so crazy that like when you're moving you have to pack so much stuff, and it's like stuff that you're you're still using, or like you don't even know that you still need to use. So sometimes I'm like going in boxes trying to find stuff. I honestly didn't know that a closing date would be so soon. I know in New York closing dates take months, so I was anticipating taking months to move. However, we just saw the perfect place and instantly we knew that we had to have that place. Like, we were just drawn to it. We both really liked it. We felt it was the best option for the amount of money we were planning to spend. And this is by no means going to be my forever place. Like, this is not my dream home or anything like that, but this is a very good starting home in my opinion. It fits our needs right now, so I think this will be very good for us. But I expected the closing date to be a lot later than it actually is. Our closing date is actually in the middle of March, so literally I only had a little bit of time to pack, which is crazy because you don't realize how much stuff you have, how much crap you have everywhere. And I got rid of so many things and I'm still getting rid of things. Of course, good things I am giving them to family members or friends. Now I'm going in with concealer. This is my favorite concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. So yeah, this is a really huge move, but I think it will be for the best. I think we both needed to just really get out of New York City and have a fresh start because COVID was really tough for us. It impacted us. It impacted our family. We lost family members due to COVID. So I think we just really needed a fresh start and a change of scenery. But enough of sad talk. I just want to keep this on a really happy note. I'm really excited about moving. There's a lot of things that have to be done before we move. I have to still do so many things, and I know you're like, so then why are you here sitting down filming a makeup video? I do a little bit of both. I pack, do a little makeup. I just feel wrong if I don't upload. I never used to feel like that. Like, I used to just upload whenever I could, but now I just feel like I have to upload. Like, I have to film, I have to do things. I don't know if it's because I just really want to grow my channel and to see what opportunities there are for me out there, and because I really do like filming. I feel like it's become more of a priority now than ever before, so I'm really excited about that. Sometimes I just don't feel like filming. I don't feel like, you know, doing anything, but recently I've been feeling a lot like, you know, filming and just putting out videos and just getting all my stuff done. So today basically what I did was just pack the laundry that I've been neglecting for so long, and now I'm filming, and then probably after this I'll film some TikTok and maybe start vlogging. I don't know how you guys are gonna like the vlogging, so that's why I like haven't done it yet. I've been so hesitant, but I do have the camera, I have the SD card, I have the tripod, so I do think I'm gonna give it a try. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and do my brows off camera because I feel like if I keep talking I'm never gonna get any of my makeup done. So I'm gonna do this and be right back. So now I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty powder. This is their bronzing powder in the shade Caramel Cutie. And like on top of that, moving supplies are so expensive. I had no idea how expensive they were. Like, boxes are expensive. Bubble wrap, one roll of bubble wrap was $17 at Home Depot. $17 for bubble wrap, and then you just throw it away. I never ever knew bubble wrap was so expensive. I literally used to pop them all the time as a kid. I used to just play with it. I never knew that bubble wrap was so expensive. I feel like there has to be a cheaper place to buy moving supplies. Maybe there is and I just don't know about it, but I feel like there has to be somewhere cheaper because I feel like moving is so expensive. Like, nobody tells you how expensive moving is. When you hear people moving when you're younger and you don't really know a lot, you're like, okay, cool, they're moving. No, moving is so expensive. You have to have money saved to move and to make a change, and especially if you're moving from a place like New York and going a lot of hours away, you have to be prepared because let me tell you, it is super expensive. And I know you guys are looking like, what am I wearing? I'm just wearing whatever I have because honestly, so many of my clothes are in bags right now that I literally can't even find anything. I just been wearing the same 3 clothes for literally so long now because all my things are packed. I feel like my makeup is coming out so bad today. I don't know why. So next up, I'm going in with this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush, and this is in the shade Bang Bang. So I did do some of my makeup off camera because I feel like I was talking so much and not doing my makeup that this video would take forever if I didn't do that. So now I'm going in with this highlighter, and this is Soft and Gentle by MAC. I really like this highlight because I feel like it's really soft and gentle. It's just like a subtle highlighter. It's a great everyday highlighter. Every single time I put makeup on, my nose leaks. No matter what, it always leaks. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that means like I'm allergic to makeup or something like that, but it always leaks. Okay, so I found one of my lip pencils. This is almost done. This is why I had it out. It's in the shade Nutmeg, which is one of my favorite lip pencils. It's by NYX. And I'm just gonna line my lip. And I'm really excited too because where I am right now, I can mainly only film in the nighttime because that's the only time the place is quiet. And now I can film at any time when I move. So I'm super excited about that. You guys have no idea. I will be able to create a lot more videos. So now I'm gonna go into this MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. So I really hope you guys stick around for the journey because I am going to be doing a lot of more exciting videos. I'm going to be doing like house tours and stuff like that because I do really like those videos. I like watching them, but I know this is a makeup channel, but it's also a lifestyle channel too. I do want you guys to get to know me a little bit more, so that's why I will be including those videos too, and hopefully you guys like those type of videos. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see vlogs. So now I'm taking this Milani lip gloss, and this is in the shade Champagne, and this is one of my favorite lip glosses, and I'm just putting that on top of the lipstick just to make it look really juicy. And the last step, I'm going to take this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just set my face. So that is it for this chit chat get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys follow me on my journey. I would really love if you guys subscribe to my channel so that way you guys can know whenever I post new videos, and upcoming videos are going to be super exciting. So I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.